it's Melanie. What is up? Don't mind the fact that I look like I am literally drowning in sweat because I am right now, but it is so worth it because I just filmed 10 outfit ideas for you guys. Recently, I've been really wanting to expand my style, so I thought it would be really fun to come up with some outfit ideas, and I asked you guys on my Instagram what aesthetic or like what trend or style outfits you wanted me to come up with, and one of the most recommended was y2k or like 90s, 2000s, those styles. So I figured I'd put together some outfits for you guys. This is what I came up with.
If I wanted to, I need to cherish every moment left with you. Leaves change the color, fall as close, and you will break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down, wish I just could stop. care if I could suffocate my feelings for you, and I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Oh, leaves change their color and fall is closing in. Break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down. Just wish I could. Wish I could stop time. Stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. When the leaves change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood me now when you feel what you feel. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair.
Alright guys, so those were my outfit ideas for the Y2K trend. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some outfit inspiration. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications and follow me on Instagram. Let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comments below and what type of trends you want to see next. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
I know it's getting